Hello friends, Iceberg with Dillon Brothers Harley Davidson, and today I'm going to take you through a walkthrough of this pre-owned 2011 Street Glide. Okay, let's start with the engine on this motorcycle. This came with the stock 103 engine in it. This engine has been modified. It has the Stage 4 kit in it, which now has bumped it up to a 110. I have personally ridden this motorcycle, and I can tell you the power delivery on it is absolutely amazing. When you're really getting after it, it is definitely pushing you far back on that seat. This bike runs like an absolute animal. Speaking of the engine and the power delivery, we're going to move down on the motorcycle to that 2-in-1 Thunderheader, which has been perfectly tuned with this Stage 4 kit. As I said, the power delivery is incredible, and this pipe sounds absolutely amazing. Towards the end of this video, I will fire this bike up so you can hear it. Let's talk about some of the other aftermarket add-ons to this motorcycle. We're going to start up front here where you have the Todd Cycles 13-inch custom bagger bars. These bars are perfectly set up on this machine. I am 6'1". I found that the height and seating stance was perfect. The handling on this motorcycle was incredible with these bars. Plus they just give it such a nice look with it, with that nice blacked out, just high enough up bar. Fantastic add-on on this motorcycle. At the end of the bars here, you have the custom HD grips on here. Felt these grips were very comfortable. They do have the nice little billet inlay in there where you get that nice little accents of chrome there, but do have plenty of padding for your hands, so on those longer rides, your hands are staying nice and comfortable. Speaking of the longer rides on this motorcycle, this bike does have full cruise control on it. Another nice touch staying up front on the motorcycles and in the handlebar area, everything has the steel braided lines and cables, so that's just a nice touch as well. They're extremely durable and really give you all the power that you want for your shifting and for your braking. Moving down on this Street Glide, you have the lowers with the full speaker setup in here. The stereo system on this bike sounds incredible. I really like the add-on of the lowers, not just for the speakers, but also in the colder weather riding. You are getting that nice protection on your lower legs, also keeping the rocks and the bugs off you as well. Let's move to the tank on this Street Glide, where you have the old school Harley Davidson logo badge on there. I am a huge fan of anything retro, kind of taking the bikes back to the old days. Really like the way this badge plays against the black on there. You have the nice little bit of chrome and orange accent running through there. Just a nice standout in a crowd badge on here. Moving to the back of the Street Glide, where you obviously have the locking saddlebags, but on this bike you do also have the quick detach hardware ready for a passenger backrest or even a tour pack on this bike. Passenger pegs are on here as well, so this bike is absolutely two-up ready to go down the road. As this Street Glide sits, it has 29,137 miles on it. Has been through our shop, so it is fully serviced, ready to go down the road. I am now going to take the opportunity to fire this bike up so you can hear that Thunderheader. That is one incredible sounding exhaust system, and with that Stage 4 engine, just everything tuned, ready to rock and roll. This is probably one of my favorite Street Glides we have in stock. This bike is absolutely incredible, and if you are interested in this 2011 Street Glide, please stop out at Dillon Brothers Harley Davidson today. Come throw a leg over it, take it out for a test ride. I promise you will not be disappointed. If you are watching this video via YouTube and are interested in this motorcycle, I will have contact information in the link below, and also for an average cost of around $600, we can ship this bike from our door to your door. And as always, from the entire Dillon Brothers Harley Davidson family, thank you so much for checking out our videos, and always remember, gear up, ride safe. Thanks a lot.